What's up, Forex traders? It's not so Forex right here, and I'm super excited to be with you guys. So in today's video, being Monday, I'm going to be dropping my own market recap for the week, and this is on Gbpjpy, also on Eurjpy, and I'm going to be dropping a quick recap, market structure, and possible signal on gold as well. So first of all, let's start with Gbpjpy. So one of my favorite currencies, JPY pairs. I trade mostly GPJPY, Eurojpy. So if you're one of my students, you see most of my signals I drop are GPJPY pairs. I don't trade AUDJPY. I don't, and also USDJPY. Just sometimes when I don't see any market moves or entries on GPJPY, then I move to see if I can have any trade on USDJPY, AUDJPY. But most especially my favorite currencies are GPJPY and EuroJPY as well. So gold, I don't trade gold, but I analyze gold for my students. So if I see that maybe I just want to hop into the trade on gold, I just felt like I'll trade as well. So on this today's video, let's start with Gbpjpy. So on my daily time frame, you can see that what the overall market structure on Gbpjpy, you've been bullish for a long time. Let's just forget about this sell that happened. This was as a cause of sort of a news that came up, I think early last month. This was this spike. You can see this wasn't even a trend. This is just a momentum, very strong sell momentum. That doesn't mean that we are in yet on a bearish market sentiment. So but the overall market structure on Gbpjpy is bullish trend. The only time I'm going to say that we are now in a bearish market structure is if price was able to break this low, this level around this zone here. You can see. So sorry guys for the so you can see price wasn't able to break this major support around this zone. You can see each time price comes, you have a buy and stuff like that. You can see. So overall we are still in a bullish market structure on Gbpjpy. So what am I looking at for? I'm looking at for a possible entry on this trade if we see if I'm going to be going for a buy or a sell at the moment. Now you can see we also have a minor resistance around this level here, and also I think one here again, but I won't be drawing this one because it's not necessary. This is the current price action. This is where the price is currently at the moment. Now let's jump down to 4-hour time frame to see how we're able to break this chart into pieces to have a possible entries as well. Now on my 4-hour time frame, you can see we are still in a very strong bullish trend. So are we still going to be looking out for buying opportunity or sell opportunity? So let's just know. Now on my 4-hour time frame, you can see this is level of resistance here where price is going to act more. You can see each time price comes to this level, we have a sell. We have the recent time it came, you can see it was a massive sell down, although price didn't sell down much as I expected to this level here for buy. So you can see how we stopped around this zone. That's to show you that overall the buy is more strong than the sell. So the overall the bullish are more strong than the bearish trend. Now let's see how we're going to be executing this trade. Let's see if we can have possible entry. Let's see if we can look more of a sell or for a buy. But first of all, let me tell you, I was on this trade. I entered this trend buy trade, I think last month, but I wanted holding this trade for a swing trade, but I closed around this area. So let me just give you a quick recap how I was able to enter this trade. Now previously we were on a bearish trend. If you watch, you can see we have the first touch of the trend line, second touch, and the third touch around this zone. Remember, rule of a trend line, to know a very strong trend line, you need to look out for 2 to 3 maximum touches. Then I think the fourth touch is always tend to be a breakout of that trend. So you can see I had a sell around this second touch of this trend line here. I had a sell, I closed my profit around this level. And now what happened, I was also expecting a sell, but price didn't give me that confidence enough for me to hop into the sell. So what I did was I was just patiently watching at this trade to see how it's going to play out. What happened is, you can see price broke my trend line and also broke my resistance. This is a good confluence for me to say that, oh, I think we are now in a change of market structure. And also if you look carefully, you can see we have this chart patterns, these W chart patterns also reversal. And also apart from that, you can see if you look carefully, you can see we have the head and shoulder pattern. Now when I move to the line chart, you're going to see it very clear. You can see a head and shoulder. This is the head, shoulder pattern. Price broke the neckline, and we are good to go. Boom. So for the entry levels, I think it's not going to be bad if you had entered around this area here, then stop loss below this level. Let me just say, if you had entered around this area, let me just say here, then stop loss below this resistance, that would be a good one. Your take profit one should be around this next resistance there. Your take profit one should be around this level here. Yeah, this should be a good one. Take profit on around this level and watch how price is going to break above. You can see how price reacted. Price broke above this resistance here, and also you can go for a buy again once you see a pullback around this level. But this is not the reason why I'm doing this video. I'm doing this video for to see if we have a current market entries on this trend. So let me just get rid of all this stuff. I hope that information was helpful. Okay, so now back to current market position. You can see that we are still in a bullish trend. So ideally, if you should draw your trend line, you can see we still have our trend line, this third. But for me, I don't think this will be necessary. I prefer drawing my trend line on the current market structure. So this is going to play out well as well, stay the same thing. Now I have two options on this trade. Is either I wait for price to come down to this zone here. Is either I wait for price to break this zone, something like this. Let me just say price needs to just come down, take this level, break this zone for me. Then I can go for a sell to target this, any level around this area. This will be okay for me. But nevertheless, we can still hop into this trade. Now let's move down to 1 hour time frame and see how we can execute this trade as well. So on the 1 hour time frame, you can see, don't be deceived, guys, we are still in this bullish trend. So the only time I would say that I think we are now on a bearish trend is if price takes this minor low. You can see we have a minor low around this level here. So if price is able to take this low here, that's if to say price breaks this resistance here, boom, we're going to be selling around this area. So our entry level will be around this zone to target this level here for itself. So that should be I think our entry level should be here, then take profit around this zone here. Yeah, so guys, it would be very risky for me to say if you had entered early around this area. It would be very risky for me because there's no confidence showing you that yes, we are now in a bearish move. So you just have to be patient enough and watch how market is going to react. Okay, the main aim for this thing is to make profit, not to hop into any trade or to be eager to enter any trade, because most people tend to be in a haste. They tend to rush just to trade. So but the main purpose here is to make profit, not to be in a haste to trade. So this is on Gbpjpy, and also on Eurjpy. I think they have similar coronation, not really much you can see as well. Eurjpy is still giving us the same pattern as well. So on Eurjpy, I'm going to be looking out for a breakout around this level here. Okay, let's move to 1 hour time frame and see. Let's move to 1 hour time frame and see on Eurjpy. Sorry about that, guys. Let me just adjust distance. Okay. Oh, so on Eurjpy, if price is able to break this low here, take this low for me, then I'm convinced to go in for a sell. Yeah, price breaks this low, I'm in, convinced to go in for a sell on Eurjpy. On Eurjpy as well, price take this trend line for me, I'm convinced, or even this level here, so price can break this low, I'm convinced to go in for a sell. So, and also on gold, I don't have much on gold. Let me just see what we have on gold. Gold is still playing around for now. This is just gold is just acting at the middle of nowhere. This is my support for me and my resistance for me, I'm looking out for. So if price would break this resistance level here, wait for a pullback, then we'll target for a buy. But currently I got my eyes on Gbpjpy as well. Let's see how this is going to play out. So if you enjoyed this video, if you find this video very educating, you can as well reach me out on you can chat me up from my TikTok. I will reply you from there. I will drop my WhatsApp number. If you're interested in my full mentorship, both online and physical mentorship, you can hit me up as well. I will be at the service. Okay, have a nice one, guys. Peace out.